Welcome back to another LUMINARIS 200 training video. I'm excited to finally start showing you how to print designs for heat transfer using the two-step heat transfer method. Your printer will already be configured for two-step transfer printing, meaning your toners will be organized in cyan, magenta, yellow, and white from back to front, as you can see here. This configuration of toners is called overprinting, and it is for printing white as an overprint in one pass for reverse printing, which is how two-step transfers are created. By doing an overprint, you will fill in all the halftones and light areas on your print with white on top to make your design stand out more and provide glue for the adhesive sheet to marry to. Overprint also prints your image in reverse, so you will be able to flip your transfer sheet and apply your designs onto your garment properly. Let me demonstrate. For this, I will be using the items that come in the LUMINARIS 200 bundle, which are the white toner transfer printer, a flat heat press, transfer paper, and Teflon sheets. The only additional item you will need is a garment to transfer your designs onto. For this demonstration, I will be using a t-shirt. First, you will need to choose a design from your LUMINARIS software and send it to print. I already have this design pre-selected and ready to go, so all I need to do is send it to the printer. Once your design has been sent, you will need to load a transparent transfer sheet onto your printer's paper tray. You want to load the transfer sheet with the glossy side down and matte side facing up. After the transparent sheet has been loaded, all you need to do is press print. Once your design has been printed onto your transfer sheet, you will need to take it over to your heat press and fuse the image with the adhesive paper to create your final transfer sheet. Set your heat press to 310 degrees Fahrenheit and wait for it to heat up. Once it's warm, set up your transfer sheet in the middle of the platen. Make sure the glossy side is facing down and then place the adhesive sheet on top of it. Make sure to line it up properly so that the transfer sheet is clean. After your sheets are lined up, place a Teflon sheet on top of them to ensure you have even heat distribution and that your design does not get burned. Once the Teflon sheet is in place, close the heat press for 120 seconds or 2 minutes. When the 2 minutes pass, open your heat press and move your transfer sheet away from the heat. Then carefully start peeling the adhesive paper off of your transparent transfer sheet. A good rule of thumb is to peel at a consistent rate and not stop until you have completely separated the two sheets. Once you have completely pulled the adhesive sheet off, your final transfer sheet should look like this. After your transfer sheet is done, you can then lay your shirt onto the plan of your heat press and place your completed transfer sheet onto your garment. This time, you will need to place your design glossy side up and matte side on the fabric because that's where the adhesive and the ink are. Try and place your design 4 fingers from the collar and as centered as possible. Once you have centered your design, place a Teflon sheet on top of it to prevent it from overheating and close your heat press for about 30 seconds. Maintain the temperature at 310 degrees Fahrenheit on 100% cotton, 285 for poly cotton blend, and 265 for polyester. After 30 seconds have passed, open your heat press and remove your shirt. Set it aside to cool completely. This can take about 3 to 5 minutes. Once the t-shirt and design are completely cool, you can peel your transfer sheet off. Finally, you want to give your design one more press to ensure that the ink sets properly. Place your t-shirt back on the heat press and put the Teflon sheet on the design so it doesn't warp the ink. Press the shirt for about 10 to 15 seconds and then you're all set.